Researching a topic can be a confusing task, but it doesn't have to be if you know some key skills. Today we will talk about search strategies. Search strategies include the skills and the plan that you will use to search for information about your topic. Knowing your search strategy ahead of time can help you explore your topic without feeling like you don't know where you're going. When you start your research on a topic, I recommend you follow this plan. Create a list of keywords, enter keywords into a search engine, review results, and search again. Creating a list of keywords is where your research should begin. Keywords and search terms are the words you enter into a search bar to help you get the relevant sources of information. It is a good idea to create a list of keywords that you will use before you even go to a search bar or database. Choose keywords that are related to your topic. So if my topic is climate change, my first keyword would be climate change. Think of words that mean the same thing as your topic, like global warming, and add those to your list. Think of words that might help you focus your topic. For example, if you want to talk about how cars contribute to climate change, I might add cars or automobiles to the list. Be sure to keep your key terms brief, no more than 2 or 3 words. Try separating long phrases into 2 different key terms. So you might get some search results if you search for the phrase, cars contribute to global warming, but you're better off searching for cars and global warming as separate terms, so the search engine is not looking for the exact phrase that you typed. It's okay to group keywords on your list. We will talk about how to enter groups of keywords together later. Okay. Once you have your list, you are ready to enter them into a search engine. When researching online, your best bet is to use a database search bar. You can choose to search through a collection of databases like the Virtual Reference Collection, aka the VRC. You can enter keywords in the search bar here, or you can choose a specific database and enter the keywords in that database's search bar, like right here. When typing key phrases with more than one word into a search bar, surround the term with quotation marks, as in, quote, global warming, end quote. But what about those tricky groups of keywords, like cars and global warming? Many search bars will let you make combinations of your keywords by using the words and, or, and not to help you expand and limit your search. These are called logical operators, or Boolean operators. Sometimes there are drop-down menus that help you do this. Other times, you have to type it into a search bar yourself. And can be used when you want to search for articles or sources that have both keywords, not just one. So you can type cars and global warming. Or it can be used when you want to search for sources that include one keyword or the other. This can be helpful if you have a topic that is called one name by some people and another name by other people, such as global warming. Some people call it global warming, others call it climate change. If you use and, sources that just use the term global warming and do not mention climate change would be cut out of your research. Use not if you want to leave out search results that you know won't help your research. So if you want to research global warming in places other than the United States, you can use not United States. After you enter keywords into the search bar, you can do one more thing to limit or expand your results. You can use specific search features like database filters. Filters help you choose sources from a certain time period, or sources with different reading levels, or different kinds of sources, like videos. You can use the filters if your search yields too many results to look through, or if you want to search for a source with a specific format, publication, year range, reading level, or other characteristics. Many databases will have a menu bar of filters that help you to narrow down the search results. This one lets you choose sources that are of different types, like books, biographies, pictures, videos, magazines, and news. You can also choose advanced search settings to narrow down your results by the year it was created or your reading level. Next, you want to review your results. As you do your research, keep a list of what keywords, keyword combinations, and filters you search for so you don't repeat searches. Keep track of the numbers of search results that each search yields. Keep track of any sources you like by writing down the name, author, and date, or downloading it, or emailing it to yourself. More importantly, as you research, add any new keywords or terms to your list. You might have started off with global warming, and after reading more realized deforestation contributes to global warming, so you can add deforestation to your key terms if you want to focus on that. Recognizing and adding new key terms is so important. It lets you move from a broad topic to a narrow one that interests you. Doing this will help you feel more confident about where your research is going. After reviewing your search results and adding new keywords to your list, you can repeat the process with your new keywords. As you repeat this, your search will become more focused. Repeat until you feel like you have all of the information you need for your research project.